create the perfect balance of style and functionality in your open concept living space with motorized roller blinds from Curtains and Blinds Direct UK Limited. These sleek blinds seamlessly integrate into your home's design while providing total light control. 6 large sliding doors connect the indoor and outdoor spaces, and our motorized roller blinds ensure you control the light and privacy with ease. Whether you're cooking, dining, or relaxing with the family, adjust the blinds at the touch of a button. With smart integration, control your blinds via remote or your smartphone, even when you're away. Customize your space by adjusting all 6 blinds together or operate them individually to suit your preferences. These motorized roller blinds offer effortless control, helping to keep your home cool by reducing glare from the sun, especially in spaces with large windows. Upgrade your home with the innovation of our motorized blinds. Curtains and Blinds Direct UK Limited, total shading solutions, automation specialists